To add a BlastShield agent on Windows, first go to your orchestrator. From the Manage menu on the left-hand side, click on Agents, then click Add New Agent. Give your new agent a name and optional DNS hostname. Click the Save and Download Invitation button and choose the option Save and Copy Invitation Contents to the clipboard and click on that. Next, open a session on your Windows server and download the BlastShield Agent installer to your Windows server. Right-click on the installer, choose Install. That will start the installation process. The installer then asks for the BSI information which you previously copied from the orchestrator. So paste the BSI information into the installer and then click Start. That starts the registration process, and when the registration process has finished, the installer shows registration successful. Once the registration process is completed, you can go back to your orchestrator and verify that the agent is online by checking the online status on the right-hand side. Here in this example, it's showing now as online, which means the registration and installation has completed and the agent is available for use. So that completes the installation process for an agent on Windows.